live, we will jump straight into it. We will be reviewing this paper quickly, but not really paper because I don't have access to the whole code. It's behind a paywall. It does have results in the abstract, and again, we didn't have any charts, so we plotted the results using Python just quickly. Okay, we would like to repeat this text verbatim. Okay, can you generate a long summary? Yeah, I don't want to focus on the study itself. We just essentially want to see how ChatGPT can review papers, compare results, generate Python code, things like that. We would like to take results from the following text and turn it into a table. The results table should include all the details. If there are missing details, I would like to know as well. Let's see if that's the paper. Okay. What's missing from the table? Can you include the age and anything else that is missing? Can you go over the results section again? Okay, missing the age and stuff like that. Yeah, now the table is much longer. Sample size, that seems okay. Yeah, median age. Yeah, the age for this study is a bit lower than others, but yeah, we'll go over it in a sec. Monitoring duration is very low for this study. Key findings, medication analyzed, others. I don't know about that. Okay, so I'm happy with this table. The publication date for this paper is 2025. Can you update and can you move the table into Canvas? Okay, so I'm sharing the next abstract. I would like you to update the table. Let's see if it can do it. Okay, 2024, that's right. The name's correct. Number of participants, yes. Okay, what's up with the age? What's up with the age? Do we need to pull it out from the methods section, are we? Application bias. Yeah, that's interesting. There's no monitoring duration. Okay, let's pop. So there is a, yeah, the reason I'm looking at the studies is that they're making some big claims that we want to review. Okay, I assume it will just add another entry to the table if it's behaving correctly. Okay, 2023. Yep, number of participants. Yeah, this one doesn't actually include any data. The rest of it is behind the paywall, so we can close that. So about this one. No data, out. Okay, let's take this one. There will be less missing data for this one. Okay, now we are talking. Currently they're like adjusted by date kind of thing. And then we'll be generating Python code to try and compare these results. It should be cross 2024 at the bottom of the table. It's had like 9 years of follow-ups. Okay, now the question is a couple of things. Okay, we included lead lane, cross, Wang 23. We'll do this one, for example. Yeah, Lee et al. 2024. The source for the link is ChatGPT. It's okay, so at least we know they're letting ChatGPT crawl the URL. That can't be true, can it? No gender mention, age, agent, single agent, like the literature quality. Yeah, so I wonder if ChatGPT can do this analysis itself. Well, we will obviously try and supervise, but interesting that the original study, which I don't have the text for, but we can check if it actually referenced this paper, and it did not. It was 2024, so okay, might be too recent or something. Oh, it was, yeah, received in November 24. I think the retrieval worked. To have the PDF. Okay, this is Lee et al. 2024. Hey, can you find the missing details? So can you update the table based on the text below? Yeah, let's actually get rid of that one. See if it can do it. No, it doesn't seem like it's doing the job. Yeah, the results are different. We need to turn them into comparable. It's hopeless because they're reporting the results in different fashion. Different metrics will be quite a task to like normalize it. Or once we have the table, it'll be much easier to do the analysis. Obviously, sounds very obvious, isn't it? And now it's hallucinating. There's so much for being an agent. Need to obviously check all that manually. Yeah, I might just take two of those and do a comparison between them. Obviously, the most important thing is this results section. There will be different ways of considering which ones are control. Because some of them, I don't know why, they don't have epilepsy. Okay, they might be on the drug for different reasons, maybe. Then the other thing is percentage of the cases on the drug. In this case, it's only 50%. Yeah, I think it's just showing how messy reporting of results can be. So yeah, I'm not sure how to proceed. Let me know what you think. So we have the hazard ratio. What else do we have for the main? Okay, can you explain in the chat how would you normalize and have a similar metric for all the studies? Curious what's standing out is for the very short follow-up for the first study. Is it even correct? Or yeah, that's the monitoring duration. It essentially says 7 days video EEG. But then in terms of the cardiac arrhythmia, the duration should have been much longer. It should have been years. The median age is 10 years younger than another study. So when they say in here that they had 10,000 cases, 35,000 controls, that 100% were on anti-seizure medication. Yeah, I don't quite get the numbers. Taking a study with 3 million patients and excluding 3 million patients. Okay, left with 26. Where's the 35 coming from? And what? Ah, at least 6 months follow-up data. So they excluded anyone with less than 6 months follow-up. Excluded the diagnosis outside the study period and less than 18 years old at diagnosis. Anyway, left with 10,000. So all this other studies reporting hazard ratio. I think the duration follow-up is the main sticking point for this new study. It's only 7 days as opposed to meant to be years. It's an interesting find. Yeah, we will try to have this table a bit more complete. Yeah, and for us to include this study, we really need the whole text. Mainly because we need to know how this OR metric was calculated. Yeah, it's all in the metric. Yeah, big sticking points using a different unusual metric. The monitoring duration was super low. It would be, close to 0 compared to other studies. So yeah, and other studies reporting on hazard ratio, not the OR, which would be, yeah, there's no details on how it was calculated. Anyway, go check out the biochaos.com. Everything we do will eventually appear on the website. Don't forget to provide your feedback, and I'll see you next time. Bye.